Stop coughing, a recipe to clear your lungs and relieve bronchitis. Bronchitis, characterized by inflammation of the bronchial tubes, can lead to persistent coughing and respiratory discomfort. While medical attention is crucial, certain natural remedies may complement traditional treatments. This video introduces a homemade elixir designed to help clear your lungs and alleviate coughing associated with bronchitis. Bronchitis can be acute or chronic and is often marked by coughing, difficulty breathing, and chest discomfort. It may result from viral or bacterial infections, irritants, or underlying health conditions. Medical interventions for bronchitis may include antibiotics for bacterial infections, bronchodilators, and anti-inflammatory medications. However, natural remedies can provide additional support and relief. Homemade elixir recipe. Ingredients: 1. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe irritated airways. 2. Honey possesses antimicrobial properties and can coat the throat, providing relief from coughing. 3. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, supporting the immune system and providing antioxidant benefits. 4. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 5. Garlic is recognized for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, supporting the immune system. 6. Apple cider vinegar acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen mucus in the airways. Here's the preparation. 1. Boil 2 cups of water. Add a slice of ginger and a crushed garlic clove. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. 2. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mixture. Stir well and let it steep for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Add a tablespoon of honey and stir until dissolved. Optionally, include a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 4. Strain the elixir to remove ginger and garlic pieces. Pour the warm elixir into a mug and sip slowly. Benefits of ingredients: 1. Ginger and turmeric. Anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce bronchial inflammation. 2. Honey. Acts as a natural cough suppressant and provides antimicrobial benefits. 3. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C, supporting the immune system. 4. Garlic. Antiviral and antibacterial properties contribute to immune support. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Acts as an expectorant, aiding in mucus clearance. Usage and considerations: 1. Consume this elixir 2-3 times a day or as needed for relief. 2. Ensure adequate fluid intake to stay hydrated and support mucus clearance. 3. Consult with a healthcare professional before relying solely on home remedies, especially for persistent symptoms or underlying health conditions. Conclusion: this homemade elixir combines the therapeutic properties of natural ingredients to create a soothing remedy for bronchitis symptoms. While it can provide relief, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. Incorporating this elixir into your routine alongside traditional medical interventions may contribute to a holistic approach to managing bronchitis and promoting respiratory well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.